Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade mint tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a good handful of fresh mint leaves, about a quarter cup per serving, and some clean water. A teapot and a fine mesh strainer will also be very helpful. If you enjoy a sweeter tea, have some honey or sugar ready to add later. This process is incredibly simple and yields a wonderfully refreshing drink. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare them. Gently rinse your fresh mint leaves under cool running water to remove any dirt. While the mint is drying slightly, bring about 8 ounces of fresh water to a rolling boil for each cup of tea you plan to make. Once rinsed, lightly crush or tear the mint leaves. This simple step helps to release their aromatic oils and maximize the flavor in your tea. It's time to bring it all together. Place your prepared mint leaves into your teapot or directly into your mug. Carefully pour the hot, boiled water over the mint. Allow the tea to steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your flavor. Once steeped, use a fine mesh strainer to separate the leaves from the liquid as you pour it into your serving cups. Enjoy your fresh, homemade mint tea. There are many ways to customize your mint tea. For a refreshing twist, try adding a slice of lemon or lime to your cup. If you prefer a sweeter drink, stir in a teaspoon of honey, a sugar cube, or a splash of maple syrup. You can also experiment with different types of mint, like peppermint or spearmint, for varied flavors. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.